Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato and drumstick soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including ripe tomatoes, tender chicken drumsticks, and a selection of your favorite spices. Next, prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into manageable pieces. Make sure you have a sturdy pot and a good quality cooking oil on hand to begin this delicious culinary journey. Now let's build the flavor foundation. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your pot and sauté finely chopped onions and garlic until they are golden and aromatic. Then, add your prepared tomatoes, allowing them to cook down into a thick, rich sauce. Stir in your spices, like turmeric and cumin, to create a deeply flavorful base for your soup. Next, it's time for the drumsticks. Lightly brown the chicken drumsticks in the pot for a few minutes on all sides. This helps seal in their juices. Then, add about 6 cups of water or chicken broth, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer cover and let it cook for approximately 30 minutes or until the drumsticks are tender. Finally, let's perfect our soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt and pepper as needed. A squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the flavors beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley for a vibrant finish. Serve this comforting tomato and drumstick soup hot, perhaps alongside some steamed rice or warm, crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.